how to change your starter motor on your BMW 1 Series, which is 116i. So first what you want to do is remove your negative terminal from your battery. And basically I've already went through most of the stuff. What you have to do is remove your pollen filter, cabin filter, the whole piece, all those side plastics. Then what you want to do is remove the, I'm not sure what it's called, but basically remove this front piece by removing these 2 screws. By the way, the screws for the pollen filter are located 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you just pull it up. And then to remove this piece, you have to remove 1 screw here and 1 screw here. You will get to them by removing this. So the stars come off, and there's your screws. Then what you want to do is remove this piece, as I said before. Then you remove your air filter. There's a plug here which looks like this. You just have to squeeze it from both sides and then pull it out. Then just want to remove your rubber hose which goes to the throttle body, which is here. That's 6mm clamps, both of them. Take it out, and then after you remove those 2 screws, the whole thing should just come out. And then what you're gonna have to do is remove all the vacuum hoses. This here, here. Yeah, so there's only 3, I guess. All the rubber mountings, take all the hoses out. Don't forget this one, that's for the fuel. That's for the fuel injectors, basically for this pipe here. You'll have to remove your injectors as well. To do this, there's two 10mm screws right over here, 1, 2, and then the whole thing just comes out, the whole injectors comes out. And to remove the main manifold, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1 bolt and 4 screws, and 4 nuts, I mean. So yeah, that's it. Remove all the connectors, and you want to pull it out and basically take it out the car. And after you do this, you get to your starter motor. To remove the starter motor, you want to use 13mm to remove this screw, which is a nut, and 10mm to remove this one. And just disconnect the wires. Get everything out of the way. Then to remove the main starter motor, there is 1 bolt here and 1 from the other side, which is here. E12 Torx bit with the long extension. I use a small breaker bar, as you can see. So what you want to do is just put that in there. Basically you get the idea. Remove this screw, this bolt, remove this one. To remove this one, what I used is same breaker bar, but just with a socket, no extension. What I did is just put it on like this and just crack till this. You're gonna be really tight, so what I've used is a little pipe put it like this, put it on like this, and just crack it loose. So all I have to do is just remove those two bolts, and take the starter motor out. Removing these two bolts, after struggling for a while, what it is some WD-40, 2 hammers, and pry bar. Basically what I had to do with the hammers is put one hammer like this and knock it on the other end. Then it came, well, there was a space in between the gearbox and between the engine, I would say, and the starter motor. Then I used WD-40, spray a little bit, and then pry it with my pry bar. Just there, pry it out, and it popped out. Now you can just remove it. There you go. That's how you remove your starter motor. As you can see, I've got the new starter motor. There's a part number. Now we're going to try and fit it in. So as you can see, the starter motor is in. Everything's tight. And before you take the old starter motor out, you have to unplug this plug, which is just under the starter motor. Don't forget to plug it in. And yeah, so now what you want to do is put the intake manifold in. Make sure it's tight. Don't forget to put all these pipes back on its place in those holders. And yeah.